I lost $5,300 as a beginner trader when I started trading Forex, and I stopped blowing account when I start focusing on learning instead of focusing on money. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to trade as a beginner and how to avoid making losses that are not necessary. So make sure you watch this video to the end, as I'm going to be sharing with you proper technical analysis, risk management, proper trading mindset, your psychology, and also everything you need to know. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get to see more of our content. So sit back and watch. Make sure you watch this video to the end, guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to start by explaining psychology, the mindset of a trader. As a beginner trader, if you are entering trading with a wrong mindset, you're going to end up losing all your capitals till you learn how to have the right mindset before approaching any trades. So what is the right mindset to trade? The right mindset to trade is that you should understand that this trading is not a get rich quick scheme. You might have been seeing traders outside there. You might have been seeing Jeffrey Benson, Abby buying cars, buying expensive stuff, just like I saw them before I started trading. I thought trading could be something that can just 10x my capital, 10x the money I had with me that time from freelancing. So I wanted to double everything at once. Then I met a guy. Then I funded an account and I started entering trade, even when I don't even know anything about trade. I don't know what's break even, I don't know what's stop loss, I don't know what's take profit. I was just following the guy. Anything the guy say, I just do it because I just wanted to double my money. So I invested blindly. I invested without learning. So first thing to learn is how to trade with the right mindset as a trader. So the right mindset is that you should understand that, okay, I want to learn. I want to calm down and learn. You want to learn, then you want to, and after you learn finish, you want to calm down, backtest, practice what you've learned. When you practice it, be patient. Then before you know, you see that you start learning and you start making profits small. Even if you are going to make loss, it's going to be with a perfect risk management because you already learned what you are meant to learn. So if you are entering trading, enter trading with a mindset that you are not rushing things. Enter trading with the mindset that you are not rushing things. You want to get things right. You want to learn before you earn. You want to learn before you invest. I want you to note that down. If you are watching this video, please take your writing material and also make sure you write these things that I'm saying down, because I won't be happy to find out that you watch this video and you still lose money just the way I lost money when I started trading Forex. So I don't want you to make this a mistake I made. That's why I'm making this video, so that you can learn before you earn. Okay. So the next thing is proper technical analysis. Make sure you have a proper technical analysis. There's no technical analysis that's not okay, but make sure you have a technical analysis that is giving you at least 1 to 3 or 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and at least it has a 60% win rate. No strategy is an holy grail. No strategy is 100%. I want you to have that in mind. No strategy is 100%. So make sure you just have one that works, either as a smart money trader, as a retail concept trader, as an ICT trader, anyone that works. Make sure you learn it and be the best in it. Like, learn it very well. Learn everything you need to learn in it, so that you will develop your confidence. It will help your it will also help your psychology too. When you are sure that, okay, I've backtested this strategy, I understand this strategy, now I want to use the strategy. You understand? So the next thing is risk management. Risk management is very important. It's very important because there are times that your strategy will not save you, but because you already understand how to manage your risk, then even if you take losses 3-4 times in a row, you will still be in the market. Like, risk management will help you to calculate how much you are losing per trade. So make sure you learn risk management. There was a video that Jeffrey Benson did, and he explained that if you were to start trading anew, things is going to learn. He won't waste time. He will just learn proper. He will build his mindset to be a mindset of a trader. Then he will learn proper technical analysis. After that, you learn the risk management that works well with your analysis. Then after you learn the risk management that work well with your analysis, you backtest it. Backtest it for some time. You can trade demo account or cent account. Then you can start from after you backtest and show that okay, this thing works. Then your confidence is increased. Then when you fund account to trade it, you grow. That's just how to trade. So I will repeat it again. Proper mindset, proper technical analysis that you already backtested, proper risk management that work well with your technical analysis. Then fund your account, you're good to go. That's just it, you're good to go. So I'm going to be showing you on my screen right now how to a video you can watch that can give you a proper mindset towards trading. That video is on YouTube. I watched that video and I was like, wow, I learned a lot from that video. And the books you can read, I will attach it to this video. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. I will attach it, and also the video too. I will share my screen now so that you can see the video. Share my screen now so that you can see the video. Okay, let's go to YouTube, guys. So YouTube, youtube.com. The video is on YouTube. Mark Douglas. It was actually an interview. They did an interview with him, and that man is actually that man has actually helped thousands of traders. Any trader that is doing well, I've read that man's book. Any trader that is doing well, you've read his book, you watched his interview videos. So guys, let's check it out. Trading in the Zone. Okay, let's check it. Yeah. Alright, so this is the book. The video I'm going to show you, Trading in the Zone audio book. So it's actually an interview. Yeah. They interviewed him. This is the video. Yeah, this is the channel. They interviewed him on and asked him different questions about trading. Then he was able to answer the questions. I believe that if you check this video out, you will learn a lot as a trader. You will learn a lot as a trader. Even me, I still look into this video. Like, I still look into this video sometimes so that I can learn more and also have my brain corrected after some profit. Sometimes if you make consistent profit, there's a way you want to think that you're overconfident. Then if you make consistent loss too, there's a way market to affect your thinking. So you have to revisit your plan, revisit some things that correct you. You get. So sometimes I still watch this video again so that I can just make sure that I'm in line with what I'm doing. You get. So now that's the video. I want you guys to just check it out. As a beginner trader, you have to learn how to master, how to think like an investor, like a trader. So next thing I'm going to be showing you is risk management. How to trade with proper risk management. I actually learned this thing from Jeffrey Benson. I learned from Jeffrey Benson. If you want to trade, you need a proper risk management so that every trade you are taking, you already know how much you are risking and how much you are losing. That's one thing you should also know as a trader. How much am I risking per trade? How much am I getting per trade? You get. So now let me show you. I'm still sharing my screen. So let's go to babypips.com. So I'm going to show you how to calculate your risk on every trade you are taking. So you know how much you are risking on every trade as a trader. How much as a beginner trader, you have to understand all these things. How much you are risking on every trade. So let's go to tools. Position size calculator. Then let's say you are trading a $5,000 account. And you are risking just 0.5% of your account. or you might be risking 1% of your account, depending on what you want to risk. And your stop loss is just 15 pips, 15 pips stop loss or 20 pips stop loss. And you're trading, I only trade GPUSD, so let's just go with GPUSD. Then calculate. Now, this is the lot size you'll be using when you're placing the trade. As a beginner trader, you might not know what lot size is. So lot size is actually the volume of what you want to buy. Like if you are buying the amount of currencies you want to buy. So it's just like, for example, now you're in a market. You want to buy a tomato. Then you are telling them that you want to buy a tomato of 2 modu or 2 rubber. You get 2 rubbers, or according to people that are not in Nigeria, let's say you want to buy 2 kg. If they weigh it for you, so it's just like the volume of a particular volume of what you are buying. So if you are buying in a market or you are selling in the market, there's a volume that you want to buy. You get. So the calculating this volume, we call it lot size here in Forex Trader. So in this, if you are buying on this trade, you'll be using a lot size of 0.16 lot size. So even if you take a loss, you will not lose more than $25 on that trade, because you already calculate your loss before you even enter the trade. So you have to understand it. Proper risk management is very important. And if you want to enter any trade, risk management. So let's say you are risking 1% of the account. Let's check. Calculate. So we'll be using 0.33 lot size. So you'll be risking $50 of that account. So you know that, okay, if I'm losing on this trade, I'm only losing $50. And I already told you, if you are going to be taking a profit, I already told you that you'll be trading with a make sure that you're trading with a technical analysis that's giving you at least 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So if you are getting 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, that means you are getting $50 times 3, which is $150 per trade. So that's actually okay. Let's say you even lose 2 times. You lose 2 times. If you lose 2 times and you make profit only 1 time, you will clear those losses and you will still be in profit. You understand? So that's how trading is. That's how to trade. As a beginner, you have to learn that first. Learn that, please, so that you won't make mistakes that I made when I started. So we already talked about psychology, risk management, patience, and backtesting. I already said once you determine the technical analysis you want to use, I'm going to do a video about the technical analysis I use. I'm going to explain the technical analysis as a whole, from beginning to the end. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can be notified when I drop the video. And don't forget also to like this video again. Don't forget to like this video and watch this video to the end. Alright, so back to what we are teaching. So I said once you get your technical analysis right, make sure you backtest it. Like, make sure you come to the chart. Make sure you come to the chart. Make sure that you already understand, okay, where do I buy? Where do I sell? Where do I buy? Where do I sell? If you are trading with smart money concept, you understand your point of interest, your POI, your break of structure, your change of market structure, all those things. You understand liquidity, you understand imbalance, you understand. So you have to learn, calm down and learn. Be patient, give time to learning. So once you learn finish, you backtest it. Make sure you backtest. Make sure you backtest very well, please. Even now, I still backtest every day, every weekend. I backtest. Backtesting is just like a footballer that is good. That is a footballer. The more you train, the more you become fit. You get. So that's just our own training as a trader. You have to backtest so that you can be more courageous, you can understand the pattern you are trading very well, your edge in the market. So once you do that, always be patient and wait for what your edge is. Wait to see what you have backtested before you place a trade. Wait to see what you have backtested before you place a trade. You understand? So if you can do this thing that I've explained to you, everything will be simple for you. Everything will be simple for you. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to explain in this video. So if you understand this video, make sure you share it to your friends that are starting forex too, so that they can get to learn this thing, so that they won't lose money. It's not easy. If I had seen somebody who explained all these things to me when I was starting forex, I won't be here. I won't be where I am right now. Like I would have seen capital to trade very well. Like I would have seen capital to trade because I had good income that time. They have not My Fiverr has not been disabled that time, so I had good income, so I could trade with the money that I had that time. Because of the income I had, I just wanted to double it. I just wanted to double it. I'm not happy even saying it right now. I'm not happy saying it right now because I wish I had learned before I even start putting my money into forex. But all is well, all is well, all is well. I still believe that I can make it back. I can make those money back. And by God's grace, this year I'm gonna make that money back. Me and my friend Mudupe will make that money back. So we've come to the end of this video, guys. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed the video from the beginning to the end. And also don't forget to subscribe for the next video, guys. See you in my next video.